Today we have the 2021 Nissan Qashqai. This is a hybrid electric petrol vehicle. It has done just over 29,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, audio, connections, information and our settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera and parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with our keyless ignition just below.